Is QuantumScape stock a buy? What are the investment takeaways? What is the bottom line for QuantumScape stock? As you can see, QuantumScape is currently up 30% or thereabout. And this is a stock that recently came out with a solid state battery that can be charged in 15 minutes. But before we get into that, I want to see quickly digest what is available technically for QuantumScape. Momentum wise, QuantumScape is strongly bullish. The 14 period stochastic oscillators are above 80, the level which many analysts call overbought. This means that investors have been actively purchasing shares, no doubt about that, and driving the price higher. The volume, as measured by the unbalanced volume indicator, is rising and therefore bullish. This is because volume is greater on up periods than on down periods and implies that buyers are presently more active than sellers. The Bollinger Bands are presently wider than usual as a result of greater than normal volatility that accompanied the recent price moves. Events such as this may precede a pause or reversal near-term trend. So you can see this is an F8 disclosure they filed with an SEC. The company's solid-state battery is designed to enable 80% longer range compared to today's lithium-ion batteries. That as of December 8, 2020 is as follows. The company's newly released results based on testing single-layer battery cells show its solid-state separators are capable of working at very high rates of power, enabling a 15-minute charge to 80% capacity, faster than either conventional battery or alternative solid-state approaches are capable of delivering. The tested cells were large area single-layer pouch cells in the largest commercial form factor with zero excess lithium on the anode and thin cathodes, running at rates of 1 hour charge and discharge at 30 degrees Celsius. These tests demonstrate a robust performance of these single-layer pouch cells even at these high rates, resulting in retained capacity of greater than 80% after 800 cycles, demonstrating how high Coulombic efficiency of greater than 99.97%. So this the folks at Investment Place have put out 3 takeaways from all of this. The first takeaway is quantum stocks rides high on science. No doubt about that. As of today, electric vehicles rely on traditional lithium-ion batteries to get around. These batteries present limitations in terms of safety, cost, driving range, and overall power, and also weight. They didn't include that. So the next one is takeaway number 2. QuantumScape will boost EV adoption. QuantumScape has a simple telling of the current electric vehicle narrative. Right now, electric vehicles are not appealing enough to convert all consumers. New solid-state battery technology for QuantumScape will power a new generation of EVs. This will boost consumer adoption and will send QS stock to new highs. Investors likely know that electric vehicles are increasingly popular and increasing in popularity. Industry leader Tesla continues to rally and is now the most valuable automaker by market capitalization. So takeaway number 3: all electric everything. Why stop in electrifying cars and trucks? Right now, much of the focus is on passenger and commercial vehicles. We are watching a rival electrify vans and buses. Nikola wants to electrify freight trucks. Lordstown promises to electrify commercial pickup trucks. Agrimoto promises to electrify 3-wheel delivery and rapid response vehicles. These vehicles appeal to different people and serve very different perhaps. However, they all focus on the ground. And then the bottom line is, what should we be watching after today? Well, look to see what partners and large customers are joining the conversation. Volkswagen retraded its support for QuantumScape today and says it continues to test solid-state battery tech. Singh, the CEO, also said this technology is ready for adoption. It's for deployment once production scales up. So we also know that the likes of Bill Gates and Grant Thumb, this book is an investment manager, and a lot of people, and you can see here, Kleiner Pickens and Coastlar Ventures, they're all involved in QuantumScape. So there's no doubt that QuantumScape is a buy, but the question is it a buy right now as things are going on right now? 38.7%, 39% right now. It is definitely, it as a stock, that's where you have to be. It is definitely the future, part of the future. Even though also we also have the hydrogen folks around as well. But the fact that this can be charged in 80% of its capacity can be charged in 50 minutes. Look, they've knocked it out of the park if they succeed in bringing this product to the market. So the question is, when should I jump in? When should I jump in? I can't tell you that it is right now, as it is hot right now. Regardless of it having the prospects, the future, it is sailing towards the future. That's where we're all going to. It doesn't mean that you should jump in right now. At some point, you have to jump in. I would say just wait for a consolidation, wait for a pullback. If you're new to this channel, subscribe, like, and share if you've already subscribed. Thank you very much for watching.